Hi, Mark!
This is a Google Pixel 6a with no touch. Connect a mouse to it so you can turn it off. It doesn't have a battery connection that you can easily get to when you take the screen off. So you got to just unlock it and then turn off the phone so you don't accidentally short circuit the phone and make it non-functional. All right, well, I got the screen heated up here, and I'm going to use some acetone, very little, like a little drop around the edges to break up the adhesive. I use this metal pry tool. It's very thin. It's almost like a playing card thin. You could use a playing card, and sometimes you got to bust out a bigger pry tool. But first, always start with the bare minimum of prying. You don't want to break the screen. I actually was really worried the screen was going to break. I wasn't 100% sure if reseating the screen connection would fix the issue, but it actually did, and I was able to fix this person's phone for $25. It was great. Alright, I'm going to zoom in the camera a little bit here so you can get a better view at my prying around the screen. And I'm going to speed up the video a little bit just so you can get past kind of this long part, but really take your time, like as much time as you need. Reheat the screen if you have to. Use a little bit, tiny more acetone. Be careful with acetone, you can break the screen, but anyways, it's worth the risk when it doesn't work, and we definitely made this repair worth it. The screen is being a little bit tough here, so I'm going to heat it up some more, maybe like 5-10 more minutes on the heating pad, and get back to work and get to the prying. Please like and subscribe for weekly repair videos. I'm going to try to post a video every week for you guys. And if you have any questions, just comment below. I can help you out with any type of repair. Game consoles, tablets, phones, computers, everything. Even drones. Alright, thank you. Alright, let's not break any ribbon cables here, so let's open it from the right to the left, open it up like a book, just like this. So I messed up here. I dropped a screw in the middle of the video. I took out this T4 screw, and actually, you don't even need to take it out. You just gotta pry off this metal bracket here, and man, it was a pain to get off. So I actually had to step away and come back to it, and then I pry it off successfully, reseat the connection for the screen, turn on the phone, and touch is back. Time to lay the adhesive.